Alrighty, guys, they came from. Alright, guys, now they're going back to Hugo, guys. They came from Nashtown, guys. They did some change out with other. They did a train exchange, guys. Kiamichi now got Kansas Southern Railroad trains, and then Kansas Railroad has Kiamichis, guys. Alright, guys, they're on the way to Hugo tonight, guys. Alright, guys. You know what do when I do, guys? If rail crossing. Alright, guys, if you hear a rail crossing going off, guys, please stop, guys. That means there's an oncoming train, guys. So, guys, if rail crossing malfunctions, just please look, stop, and look, and make sure there's no oncoming train or nothing, guys. If it's a malfunction, guys, just please and look, guys, and just roll down your window. If you hear a freight train coming, that means there's a train coming off in the mile distance, guys. So please don't chance it with rail crossing now, with rail crossing lights flashing or the bells going off, guys. Especially out in the middle of nowhere, guys. If it's just a crossing bug, guys, there's blind spots on these railroad tracks, guys. It's kind of best you just don't do 4 miles an hour, because you really don't know if there's a train heading towards you or what, guys. So, guys, please be cautious when you're approaching a crossing buck at an intersection or a back road or a dirt road, guys. Because guys, if you're going 4 miles an hour down a dirt road, guys, you will not stop on the dime, guys. Those rocks will slid you right into a train, guys. So please be careful whenever you're approaching a rail crossing on a dirt road, guys. And don't park on the tracks, guys. It's bad, and it's against the rules and the laws. It's regulations, guys. You can get in trouble for parking on the tracks, guys, if a cop catches you. So, guys, and as a matter of fact, the oncoming train cannot stop when they can't stop whenever you're they won't be able to stop in time for you to move out of the way. So, guys, if a train's heading towards you and it's right there close by you, please evacuate your vehicle and run towards the train, not against it, guys. Alrighty, guys. If a train, because it takes a train a mile to stop, guys. Alright, guys, there goes my 3 best friends tonight, including the one who's in the other seat, guys. Driving train, looks like 3055. I'll name that one Jonah McKay. I'm naming that one Jonah McKay. So, guys, alright, guys, you know what do when I do, guys? Trains do stop after they hit you, guys. So please, guys, please stop for oncoming train, guys. Just wait until it passes, and then you go right straight across, guys. If you get ahead of it, make sure you know your route, so in front and wait in front of a freight train, guys, because sometimes they get right there near your shortcuts. So, guys, alright, guys, I like waving at everybody. I want everybody to know I'm a friendless guy out here. So so, guys, okay, alright. So, guys, grade crossings, guys, sometimes you gotta be careful on grade crossings when it's raining or snowy or whatever, guys, because you can